David Carter, and this is my apartment. I come from California. I moved here with a backpack full of clothes and a head full of dreams. My apartment is barren. I created these cute little cheapo depot artifacts through recycled stuff. This one was a card given to me by Alex's grandmother, and this is a playing card that I found while walking home with paint swatches. Look how cool that is. So now, I'm gonna turn this photo into, I don't know, I was a part of a web series called Sapphire, and it's an urban drama set in Chicago about a crime family and a missing person, and they go after the takers. This photo is pretty neat. It shows me very military. The beard's going on. I'm so rugged, and I want to use it as the base of the photo. So I have this patch that I found. Okay, so I found the jacket in Los Angeles. I was on a walking trip with my mom, and there was just this camo jacket laying about. So I took it. It had a half-drinking pint of vodka, plastic bottle, hangover, and the patches were coming off. This one fell off finally after like a year and a half of taking my backpack on and off. This is a patch, so there's that. So we take this frame. This frame was free. This frame I found in my boyfriend's parents' house. And so the idea is to layer it on the glass. And just put it in places where you think it'll fit. And you don't want it to be, see, like, that might be terrible. It's kind of pointless. So, you know, just want to move it around. You can do whatever you like. You can put it anywhere. You don't have to use a photo. You could use your kid's art project. You can use bigger frames, absolutely. You could use a particle board. If you want to get real bold with it, take that shit that people put over tables. What's it called? Hydroxycut? Epoxy? Clear coat? And then you shove that back in there. Shove it good. And voila! You have a photo stuffed frame. And this whole thing was free. This one, well, I guess Alex bought the kit that had the candles in it. But I'm like, we don't have any photos. So, with these barren windowsills, let's dress them up a bit with our just made photo frame. Okay, that's okay, okay. Look at that. Already a step in the correct direction. And so I got these binoculars from a guy I was on set with from the Punisher fan film. Free, which I also need to return that though. And then I got these cat balls that I found in the apartment when we moved it in. And I was like, oh, well, I don't have a cat, but okay. And that's fun. That's hip. That's unique. That's fun. That's vibrant. Of course, you have to have candles in the window. Candles in the window make everything look elegant and illuminated. And I think it also helps combat the cold because obviously it's cold as shit out there. And now, a dressed windowsill. Oh. Thank you for coming to visit my apartment. I'm David Carter, and this has been Designing David. DIY.